Well pilots, it's been about an hour and a half since that big crash, and I don't know if you can hear it in the background, it's still beeping, but let's take a quick look at the damage. Sorry about the shakes. Yeah, so there's the damage then. The buzzer actually came out of the quad, and it's ripped the ground wire off. That's why it's complete. It won't stop buzzing. I've tried plugging the battery back in and out, but because it's not connected anymore, it's just buzzing constantly. The receiver is snapped, so that's for the bin. Need to get another flint. All four props snapped, which I thought was bloody shocking. I've never had all four at once. I don't think so anyhow, can't remember if I have. The camera, as you probably saw in the video, came flying off, but because of the colour of it, I found that quite easy. It wasn't too far away. But yeah, it's been an hour and a half since I had the crash, and that buzzer's still going off. In case you think it's not very loud, in the editing, what I'll do is, because at the moment it's quite loud, but what I'll do is reduce the background noise, which will be the buzzer, right, so you can actually hear me speak. Anyhow, yeah, just thought I'd show you the aftermath. I mean, there's no major damage. Okay, the props, but that's now. The receiver needs replacing, that happens, but there's no major damage to the actual quad. The frame's still in one piece and everything, so, and the camera still looks pretty damn good. So brilliant, she can stand up to a hard crash. And let's be honest, it was a hard bloody crash, wasn't it? It was quite a hard crash, to say the least. But yeah, so it's been about an hour and a half since the crash, like I say, because I had to that last battery as well. Yeah, last bleeding battery. Why is it always your last bloody battery? Alright, I'm gonna start saving one and just pack up and go home. Anyhow, yeah, I went and did some shopping and stuff like that. So it's been about an hour and a half since the crash. Still buzzing away. Anyhow, pilots and ground crew, hope you enjoyed the flight and the explosive finish. Okay then, thanks for watching and cheers.